you want to trade alpha futures but don't actually understand how the rules work from the combine all the way to the payout? Well, in this video, I'm going to cover all the accounts that they have, which is the zero plan, the standard, and the advanced. So let's get right into the video so you have a clear understanding of what to expect jumping into alpha futures. So let's get started. First thing, we have the zero plan. Now, for those that don't know, all funded accounts, they have a profit target. Once you reach that profit target, you need to pay an activation fee. So in this case, on the zero plan, you actually have a zero activation fee, which is absolutely insane. That's beautiful because on a regular, activation fees are kind of an ass. It's $149. But in this case, zero plan, zero activation fee. What's the beauty about the zero plan? It's honestly my favorite. Bias, whatever. Minimum trading day, 1 day. That means you can pass your account in literally 1 day. Profit target, $3,000. Once you hit that 3,000, you are moved onto a live account. Maximum position size, 3 contracts for the full Nasdaq. If you're trading micros, it's MNQ. That is 30 contracts allowed. More than enough, trust me. Sorry to interrupt. Guys, just to let you know, down below, I have a fat discount for alpha features. So just click the link down below and you guys won't regret it. So let's get back to the video. Maximum drawdown, $2,000. If you lose $2,000, then your account's closed. You need to pay a reset fee of $79. So not $100. So you're actually getting a pretty good discount, $79. So max loss guard. That means if you lose $1,000 in a day, they lock your account out for the single day and you can start trading the next trading day. Consistency, 0. You know what that means. You can full port CPI. Max allocated, 0. Hold through news. Full port season. Anyways, once you hit this 3K profit, then you're moved on to the qualified, which is funded account, PA, whatever you want to call it. Minimum trading days. You need 5 trading days. Once you get those 5 trading days, profit target, there's no profit. You can make whatever you would like. Scaling plan, 3 contracts, same thing as the evaluation, very simple. Max allocated drawdown, $2,000. If you hit this 2,000, you lose the account. Very simple. Profit split, 90%. So you keep 90%, they keep 10%. Regular. Reset fee, 0, obviously, because you are now in the funded account trying to make the money. Daily loss guard, $1,000. Consistency, 40%. So 40%, this is where it might get a little difficult to understand, but it's very, very simple. So during those 5 days, you need to have to actually request a payout. You cannot make more than 40% of your total profits. So for example, say you want to take a $1,000 payout. Well, you do $1,000 times the 40%. That is saying that you cannot make more than $400 in any single trading day. If you make 500, then you have to up your total payout amount. But go into it, say, I want to make $1,000. If I can make 1,000, I'm going to take a payout. So do not make any single trading day of more than $400. Very simple. And hold through news, yes, with restrictions. You cannot have a buy limit and sell limit at the same time. Max allocated accounts, you have 3 accounts allowed. So that's beautiful for stacking. Now let's move on to the standard. Onto the standard account. So it's a little cheaper for the monthly plan, but the minimum trading day is 2 days. So that means 3,000 and divided by 2, 1,005, because your consistency rule is 50%. So you need to make 1,005 equals 3,000, quick maths. And then you can have the opportunity to go on to the live account. Maximum drawdown, same thing as a zero plan, 2K, profit split, nothing because you're in evaluation. Reset, 49, which is much cheaper. Daily loss guard, whatever you would like to lose, you can blow the account in literally 1 day and just freaking wipe out that 2K. Max allocated accounts, whatever you would like. Hold through news, yes. So again, that means full port, but profit you can make is 1,005. Once you get the qualified account, then you have to pay the activation fee on this one, which is $149. Minimum trading days, 3 days. So much less, but it's a bit more expensive. Then, also, if I didn't say it, the reset fee, $59. Scaling plan, 5 contracts, more than you need. That's 50 MNQ contracts. You do not need anything more than 50. Maximum drawdown, $2,000. Profit split, 70-90%. I'll get into that. You'll understand how that works right below. Give me a second. Daily loss guard, $1,000. Cannot lose more than $1,000 in a day. Consistency rule, 40%. Same thing as a zero plan. If you want to make $1,000 payout, then simply $400 is your max profit day. Max allocated accounts, 3 accounts. Hold 3 news with restrictions, same thing. Now, for the advanced plan, 139 a month. My bad. Minimum trading days, 2 days. Profit target, 4,000. Maximum contracts, 5 or 50 for MNQ. Maximum drawdown, 1.7. Profit split, 0. Reset, 139. Blah, 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 blah. Consistency, 50. Same exact thing. So that means it's $2,000 per day if you want to pass the account in 2 days. Hold 3 news, absolutely. Now, for the qualified account. Let me just put this over here. Minimum trading days, 5. No scaling plan. That's beautiful. 5 contracts, 50 MNQ. Maximum drawdown, 1.7. Now, that kind of sucks, but it's whatever. Profit, 70. Blah, 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 blah. You know the deal. Now, for the zero account, you want to get a payout. Well, this is how it works. For the zero plan, payouts, you can get payouts every single week, but you have to have a minimum of 5 trading days. And those days must be in a profit of $200 or more. Now, trading days required is 5 days. You must follow the 40% consistency rule. If you follow the 40% consistency rule, say if you want to take a $1,000 payout, $400 is your max payout, well, max P&L of the day. After 30 winning days at 200 plus, you can take out your full profit. You have a 90% split and the payout. For 50Ks, zero plan, the maximum you can take out is 1.5. The minimum is $200. So guys, you can easily get a payout over here. Withdrawal limit before 30 winning days, it's up to 50% of profits. After the 30 winning days, you can take out 100% of your money. Now, if you withdraw down to your maximum loss, which is $2,000, which is going to be pretty much like your trailing drawdown, then your account gets closed. Simple. I think it is pretty simple too. Now, for the standard account, this is where it changes up a bit. Well, let me just do this. Payout frequency. Every 14 days, you can get a payout. First payout starts payout countdown starts on the first day of the trade. Now, trading days. There's no minimum number of trading days, but you must follow a 40% consistency rule. Same exact thing as a zero account. Profit split. Now, for the first to second payout, you're getting 70% in your pocket. The rest goes in their pocket. 3 to 4, you get 80%. The rest goes in their pocket. After 5 plus payouts, you keep 90% of the profits. So, payout amounts minimum is 2K. 2K. Bro, I'm botching this. $200. Maximum is 15. So, again, very simple. Very understandable. Now for the advanced plan. Very simple. Payout frequency every single week. After every 5 winning days of 200 plus, then you can take out a payout. Now, of course, the days don't have to be consecutive. It can just be as long as you have 5 total winning days. So, trading days required, 5 minimum days. Now, after 30 winning days of $200 plus, then you can take out a full payout withdrawal. Profit split, 90%, and you have to have a minimum of 1K in the account and a maximum of 15 to take out money. withdrawal limits. So before 30 winning days, 50%. After, you can take out full amounts. So I think this is very straightforward. I don't think you need anything more. Alpha features is honestly so perfect. I don't see anything wrong with them. And guys, like, I hope this video made sense. So again, I have a link down below. If you want to check out alpha features, I have a pretty fat discount. So go check it out if you want to sign up. And guys, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you also need help with trading, I also have a link down below. There's a free trial, so you can go check out my mentorship. And yeah, so guys, I hope you have a beautiful, beautiful rest of your day. I hope this video made sense.